Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another Eurovan instrument cluster. This is for Bill, uh, let me see, Mautin in Oklahoma. He sent this cluster a few days ago for me to check it because it says fuel temp gauge not working, tach does not work, not sure about a speedometer, definitely not working, neither one. So right now I'm supplying my signal, 14 hertz for the the speed. I'm also supplying the signal that I also usually supply at 50 hertz for the tachometer, and then temperature and fuel, and no response at all whatsoever. I can see blinkers, and obviously the gauges are not the gauges, the LCDs or clock and so on coming on, but that's it. Nothing else is working. These are for those that have not seen how these work. Those are the signals I provide. Again, just take a moment and you can stop the video, and that will understand, very easy to understand what I need. And then, yeah, this is definitely completely dead, not working. So I'm going to open it up. This is at least to replicate the customer concern. I have multiple videos on this instrument cluster. If you want to visit them, in a few I show the repair, total repair. I do stepper motors, voltage regulators, resolder the board, replace capacitors and resistors and diodes, etc. I have all parts in stock, and usually takes 2 to 3 days. Depends on the day of the week it comes and how busy I am. It usually is 2 to 3 days maximum. Sometimes, again, if it's a holiday or so, that will not be considered as a working day. All right. So, but yeah, everything is at least on. So we'll see when I take it apart and see how it goes. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I finally finished Bill. Mautin in Oklahoma's instrument cluster was a lot of work to do. Pads destroyed by capacitors leaking, and these solder joints, bad voltage regulator, the actually, um, let's say, pre-driver for all the motors was damaged too because of the same acid reaching to it. So, but everything is back to normal. Let me just, I got now all the lights on. Let me reset, turn everything off. I want you to hear that. Now the stepper motors are resetting and everything is working. So we are now going to put the temperature and fuel. Make sure they move, and there are. I'm going to turn the speedometer to 1,000. Sorry, the tachometer to 1,000 RPMs, and as you can see, it's working. Let me turn the speed on, 10 miles per hour, and that is exactly as the calibrations. Let me put the calibration pictures on the screen. This was just some of the repairs that I did just to show you how I do repairs. Again, one of the pads that was corroded and damaged. I have to put a jumper and then seal with a special cement that is made for ports. These are my settings. So 100 hertz should be 2000 RPMs, and then these are the speeds. So right now I'm in 10 miles per hour. So I'm going to go over to 20 miles by putting this, sorry, yeah, 20 miles to put this onto 29 hertz right here where it says frequency. This knob is a little weird right there, so it should be exactly 20 miles per hour. That's perfect. All right, so let's raise the um, I'm going to put this into 0 so I can go into 100. A little difficult to do, but we can see in 2000 RPM, so that is working good. I'm going to go now to 30 miles an hour, 44 hertz, and that is with the signal that I'm supplying, and that is exactly in 30 miles an hour. Now I'm going to make the temperature, and fuel to go up, and we're going to see this light blinking very shortly when it goes into overheating. Perfect, and that is the normal. We can see how the temperature is rising. I don't want to keep that for too long. And then when that start to come down, it is the normal behavior. So yep, Bill, now your gauges, your instrument cluster is working 100%. I will be sending this your way, collecting payment and sending this as soon as possible. Thank you so much for your business. Again, anyone that has a Eurovan 1993 to I think it's 2001 or so that has almost the same cluster as this, just send it over. I have all parts in stock, and I am an expert on this instrument cluster, so you'll be in very good hands. Thank you so much all for watching my videos. Talk to you later. See you next time. Bye bye.